In India, where entrepreneurship is booming by the millions, there exists but a mere 14% of female participation. Establishments from the informal sector contribute a major share into this deficient metric. Some of the major challenges to women micro entrepreneurship in India include the limitations in accessing credit, a dearth in opportunities to develop entrepreneurial skill sets, an inability to market one's business better, and a lack of digital representation in this technology driven day and age. Yuvti, a women centric mobile application, harnesses innovation and technology to aid women micro entrepreneurs to access finance, engage in upskilling opportunities, avail marketing and business tools, and network within a business community through its services such as collateral free working capital loans at 0% interest, workshops and seminars conducted by industry experts to boost skills, advertising services to materialize their marketing requirements, a unique digital identity in the form of a portfolio web page. Apart from these services, we provide a few more features that ease out the process of running a business while creating opportunities to raise financial and digital capabilities within women. Yufti serves more than 5,000 women, with workshops and seminars drawing 10,000 plus attendees. Our workshop and portfolio features facilitate upskilling and networking opportunities, aiding in business scaling and visibility enhancement. Leveraging an innovative financing mechanism known as a returnable grant, we have assisted 150 plus women in acquiring equipment and resources for business scaling. At Yuvti, our dedication lies in fostering opportunities for women to access decent work and contribute to economic growth.